students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to find the area of the rectangle whose sides are given. Let's start with the part A. In the part A, we are given one side that is equals to 3 centimeter and the another side which is 4 centimeter. Let's say length is equals to 4 centimeter and breadth is equals to 3 centimeter. So area of rectangle is equals to the length multiplied by the breadth. So we are going to multiply this. So 4 multiplied by the 3 is equals to 12. So area from here is equals to 12 centimeter square. That is 4 centimeter multiplied by the 3 centimeter. That is equals to 12 centimeter square. So area is equals to the 12 centimeter square. So this is the answer to the part 1 of this question. Now let's discuss the part 2. Part 2 is 12 meter and 21 meter. So in the part B, we are given, let's say length is equals to 21 meter and the breadth is equals to 12 meter. So area is equals to the length multiplied by the breadth, that is equals to 21 meter multiplied by the 12 meter. So when we multiply 21 with 12, we get the value as 252 meter square. So we can say that the answer to the part B is area is equals to 252 meter square. So this is the answer to the part B. Now let's move to the part C. In the part C, we have to find out the area of rectangle whose dimensions are given, which is 2 kilometer and 3 kilometer. So let's say length is equals to 3 kilometer and the breadth is equals to 2 kilometer. So the area is equals to the length multiplied by the breadth, that is equals to 3 kilometer multiplied by the 2 kilometer, that from here become equals to 6 kilometer square. So we can say that the area to this part is equals to 6 kilometer square. Now let's move to the part D. In this part D, we have to find out the area of the rectangle whose sides are given, that are 2 meter and 70 centimeter. Look here, this is in meter. Whenever we have to find out the area or anything else, the one thing which we must keep into mind is that all the dimensions must be, or units must be equal. So this is in meter, this is in centimeter. We know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So we are converting this meter into centimeter. So 2 meter become equals to 2 multiplied by the 100. That is equals to 200 centimeter. So we are considering that length is equals to 200 centimeter and the breadth is equals to 70 centimeter. So the area from here is equals to the length multiplied by the breadth, that is equals to 200 centimeter multiplied by the 70 centimeter. When we multiply both this value, we get the value as 14,000 centimeter square. We can convert this into meter. So we are going to divide this with 14,000 divided by the 100 multiplied by the 100. So this 0 to this 0 cancel, this to this cancel. So when we solve the value, we get the value of area as 1.4 meter square. So this is the answer to this part. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of areas of the figure. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.